Hello guys! So ayan, mag-dinner kami ni husband ulit sa Leicester. Doon lang naman yung favorite talaga. Ayan, favorite place naming dalawa dahil tahimik doon. So anyway, at marami nang ganap the whole day. Galing ako sa work. And then after work, nag-gym kami. And now, we decided to going out for dinner. So, tignan nyo guys sa labas. Naglabasan na yung mga kulay green na siya. Not like 2 weeks ago, ano pa siya dyan, hindi pa sila green. So, ayun, naglabasan na. Magandang kulay ng kabaligiran. We're here, welcome. So, ayan guys, so dito na tayo sa Leicester. Diba ang tahimik? So, andito na nga tayo guys. Ayan, kulay good. Ayan, yan si aking husband. Ayan, lamig pa siya. Anyway, malamig pa naman guys. Hindi pa naman ganun mainit. Kasi spring pa naman. So, yan si Peter. Kanyang OTTD. And then, we're going to restaurant this way. Magandang panahon. Nasa labas silang lahat. So, we're going there. Yun lang menu. Anyway, parang alam na namin yung order namin guys. Dahil lagi naman kami dito. Ayan guys, dito tayo sa labas na upo. And look at the sun is beautiful. Yeah? Yeah, you want to change with me?
Hmm?
Do you want to change with me?
Yeah, you set this up.
Because I have sunglasses in. Guys, dahil coffee is life. Of course, nag-order ako ng coffee while waiting yung ano.
You can find it in Singapore?
No. Order namin guys.
Zeker, mag alles bij elkaar?
Si husband yan. After dinner, maglalakad-lakad kami dito.